Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you are running iOS 26 or using the new iPhone 17, you would probably have noticed that when you take a screenshot, it appears full screen by default. This can be a bit annoying now because now you have to tap on this right button and hit save to photos, or you need to swipe up to close it in order to take another screenshot. But one good thing is, even if you don't save this screenshot, the screenshot still gets added to your Photos app automatically, as you can see here. But if you prefer the old minimized style, you can actually switch it back. So here's how you do it. Just go to settings, head over to general. In here, tap on screen capture. Here, simply turn off full screen previews. Now, when you take a screenshot, it will pop up in the minimized style like before, and you can keep taking screenshots one after another. All of them will still be automatically saved to Photos app. So that's how you change the screenshot preview from full screen back to the old minimized version. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll catch you in the next one.